Wakati TV Nera.
Consider the relevant laws relating to this application as deliberated on this application and finds as follows. One, that jurisdiction is a creature of statute and section 208 of the UPDF Act gives powers to this court to try any person who has committed an offense in Uganda and outside Uganda. Two, that there is no defect in the charge sheet because the truth is charged under Ugandan law. Under Ugandan law, the UPDF Act, which Act clearly defines defense forces to mean Uganda People's Defense Forces. Three, on the submissions that the accused person was abducted and brought to Uganda without following due process of the law. This court finds that there is no extradition treaty between Uganda and Kenya that was breached. To the contrary, this court finds that the accused plane brought to Uganda through a memorandum of understanding between Uganda and Kenya on defense and security for persons suspected to have committed serious crimes did not amount to abduction. This court has considered the consolidations of the Constitutional Court in Omar and others which were cited by the counsel for the accused from paragraph 25 on page 63 to page 74 of the judgment and entirely agrees with the court. On the submissions that section 208 and 209 of the UPDF Act that appears to grant this court jurisdiction contravenes Articles 79 and 129 of the Constitution. This court finds that it is not true that section 208 of the UPDF Act appears to grant jurisdiction, but actually gives jurisdiction to this court to try the accused person. Jurisdiction being a part of the statute and this court having addressed itself to the provision of Article 79 and 129 of the Constitution. This court finds the cited articles not applicable in this application and finds that this court has jurisdiction in the case. Accordingly, the objection raised are hereby dismissed and the accused person should take plea. Sorrow, done at Makinde, this court is here, done 2025, in my hand and suit this court.
Wakati TV Nera.